Hello everyone, today I'm going to show how to create a video conference app using Flutter. I'm using Android Studio for that. First you have to install the Flutter plugin in Android Studio. Then just click on start a new Flutter project. Click on next. Enter any name. Make sure you have installed the Flutter SDK and given the path here. Just click next. Click finish. This is the default screen which comes when you create a new Flutter project. Now we have to add a video plugin called Jitsi Meet. Jitsi Meet is an open source technology. So just Google Jitsi Meet pubdev. Click on installing. This is the dependency. So just copy this and paste here. Now just click on example and just copy the entire code. So just paste the code here. I'm not explaining the code because we are not doing anything here. We are just calling the Jitsi Meet API method by passing the parameters from the text field which appears on the app screen. That's it. And Jitsi Meet plugin will do everything for you. The Jitsi Meet's Android manifest.xml will conflict with your project, so you have to add the tool library. So for that, just go to the GitHub repository, copy this and paste it in your Android manifest.xml. In this path, Android app source main, select this Android manifest.xml and paste it here. Press Alt Enter. Now run the application. Yeah, we are getting some error. It's because Jitsi Meet requires minimum sticker version as 24, so we have to change that in the build.gradle of your app. We have changed the minimum sticker version to 24. Update the target sticker version to 29 and just run the app. Here these are all the parameters which you are passing to the Jitsi Meet API call, and here everything is optional except the room ID. You can enter a random room ID here. Click on the join meeting. That's it. Now you have to enter the same room ID on the other device in which you install this app, but this will work perfectly on your debug mode. But when you build your release APK, that will be missing the Flutter wrapper. So the problem is your app will crash when you try to join a meeting, or the app will close immediately. So you have to add the progress rules. So for that, just go to your build.gradle and you can see here you have to add these 3 lines in your build.gradle file. Paste it here in the build types, and you have to create this file. So just copy this and create the file. and we have to paste some rules here. For that, just click on this progress rules.pro. Just copy this and paste here. So that's it. Now your app won't crash when you build your release APK. So thank you for watching.